Welcome to this video tutorial about grading in Jevero. In this series of video, we will go through the feature that Jevero offers to grade from down and up to the desired size. Grading is the process with which a pattern engineer generates from the sample size all the sizes that are needed for production. To grade in Jevero, the first thing that we want to do is to generate a grading table. To do so, we need to have the pattern grading panel active. If we don't have the pattern grading because it's closed, we can always use the cog icon from the panels here, open the pattern grading, and the pattern grading panel is shown. If we click on the first button on the top bar of the grading panel, we will be prompted with a form that allows us to set up a grading table. Here we got a lot of stuff, but the first thing I want you to notice is that the sole part is not enabled. We haven't told the software if we have a sole in this model. So we want to close this, go to the parts, select Strobel, right click and edit, and we want to tell the software that this Strobel part is part of the sole and should be graded differently. We click OK. We go back and reopen the form for the grading table, and you can see that we have different measurement now here and that the sole part is active. So at first we will create a size run based on the UK size grading. With the sample size, we decided it's 8. We're going to increment and decrement of a half size, and we're going to go from 3 to 15 as a size run. Automatically, Jevero fills in my increments in the upper and in the sole to be different. There are a couple of already created presets that are the UK, the Mondo Point, and the French, that are already available right out of the gate. If I want to create a preset, I can do so by editing my preset. Let's say that I want to create my sample size to be 8.5 and go from 4 to 14, keeping the same. I can save my preset using the floppy disk icon and calling new preset. Save it. Now this preset is stored in my application. If I click OK, the grading table is generated from 4 to 14. The sample size is 8.5 and it's highlighted in a different color in cyan, and 2 grading centers are generated. One grading center for the upper and one grading center for the sole.